Is your BMW 7 Series refusing to link with Apple CarPlay? Let's troubleshoot this connection issue in 2 minutes. Over 80% of infotainment connection issues are resolved by simple software resets or outdated settings. Let's walk through the steps to isolate the culprit. Start by clearing the handshake between your devices to ensure a fresh pairing attempt. Check these 3 common settings that often block the wireless handshake. Verify that your iDrive internal settings allow for external device data transmission. Most issues are fixed with a reset, but persistent failure might indicate a deeper hardware fault. As you can see, settings remain the most likely point of failure for your connectivity. If nothing works, perform a hard reset by holding the volume knob until the screen cycles. Keep these items ready to ensure you can perform a wired handshake if wireless fails. Always remember that a clean slate is better than struggling with corrupted cache files. If these steps didn't solve your connection issue, check your BMW service bulletin history. Thanks for watching.